If you're new to designing, you're probably used to doing this. You make an object by a couple lines, putting it in dimension, but in parametric designing, instead of putting a number here, we just type a letter. Let me show you. This is your parameters dialog box. It has all the parameters that you need, setting up your project. So if I want to make the width 55, I can change it from this box. Now I misspelled that one. Offset, we can make 20, we'll make it 5. Then to make a new one, you just click the plus sign. We're going to do whole underscore depth. You have to use underscore. It doesn't accept spaces. And the whole depth, I'm going to go minus 100. Wait, let's just do 50 once. I'm going to show you. We do minus 50. Okay. So now I'm going to create a sketch on the side here and go C for circle. And instead of entering a number, of course, we're going to type the letter H. So now we got hole diameter. We'll click on hole diameter, right? Finish our sketch, click on extrude, click on our circle, and then we type H again for hole depth. And that cut our hole in, right? So now, what if I wanted this hole to go all the way through? We just change the depth here to minus 100, and there it is. So much easier and faster to manipulate your project in a scale-like form. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.